Hey guys, I just want to jump on really quick so that I can get this stuff wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and show it. This came in from Donnadreamsx3, Donna Hunsaker, and she also, I bought some bags from her, so I'm going to use these bags to wrap so that I'm trying to do each gift in like a something that you can use in your crafting. But these are absolutely awesome little journals. She sent 2 of them in. And this one says, Farmer's Market Fresh Lemons. I love it. I absolutely love it. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is a file folder journal. She did a beautiful job on it. Absolutely beautiful. And she put all yellow paper in it, and in the center is all kinds of ephemera to decorate your journal with. This is going to be one of the Christmas bingo prizes, but it is absolutely stunning. And in the back there's a piece of a tablet, it looks like. Now these are cardstocks. Oh my heavens, look at these. These are awesome prizes. Donna, thank you so much. I know whoever wins these would cherish it. And look at the little gnome on the back. I love him. So let me tie this one back up. And I honestly don't remember if I bought the stickers or if she donated them. So I'm just going to say she donated them. And I'm going to put these with some Christmas papers and do a journal kit. And you'll see one of my journal kits here in a second that will be a prize. And here's the second one Donnadreamsx3 sent. It's lemon too, but I love it. I love anything yellow. I love this journal. And it's also made from a file folder. Beautiful work. Awesome ephemera. Just gorgeous. Some more of the cardstock. And look at these papers. Aren't they stunning? And I ignore my desk, and I'm sorry for the camera. Oh, this is coffee dyed. This is so cool. And look at the gnome. I love him. So these will go into the Christmas bingo prizes, which starts October the 1st, where all the gifts are wrapped, and you won't know what is inside. Unless you've watched these preview videos of what people donated. Then you might have a clue. Alright, this is one of my kits. I think it's done. I'm not sure. I never know. You guys know me for packing boxes, so. Alright, I made these 2 little journal covers out of flashcard boxes. So if they wanted to make, whoever gets it wants to make mini journals, they have 2 covers ready. I had some of the Tim Holtz vellum paper in here. I had some different sizes of cardstocks of different colors. A little crochet piece. A little piece with embroidery doily in case they want to make a different cover. I have some 8x8 sheets in here. I think this is a piece of wallpaper. Some ribbon for closures. Some just regular journal cards. Oh no, they're recipe cards. Bank envelopes. Some papers. Some laces. Some tags that I had cut out on the vagabond. Some papers I had embossed. Journaling cards. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's Big A. I don't know. It came in something I had bought from somebody else. Some stamps for your journals. Some more the 8x8s and music pages. These are large ones. Now, I bought this thinking it was hand-dyed, but it isn't. It's the paper you buy on Amazon, so I just stuck it in here. And here's some more of it, which I bought from Amazon. So, there is a lot here for journal making. And if I repack it a different way, I may be able to get more in it. But this will also be a Christmas donation. Now, for the big thing, it just touched my heart so much, guys. I can't tell you how much it means to me that someone would take it upon themselves to do this. But Tina's Messy Crafty Life had a sale the other day, and all of the proceeds she has already sent. Everybody's already paid her, which, wow, that's unheard of. But, you know, she asked everybody to pay within 24 hours so she could PayPal it to me. Everybody paid, and today she PayPal'd me $63.75 to go towards the postage. And I want to give a special thank you to Tina's Messy Crafty Life for selling her own stuff to raise money for bingo. Valerie Mahor, these are the buyers: Valerie Mahor, Janet Austin, Marcia Ellsworth, Estefania Estrada, and of course our Susie Bratu. Thank you, ladies, so very much, because I don't want to scrimp on the size of the Christmas presents. So the more donations I can get toward postage, the better I can do for the Christmas present giveaways on the bingo prizes. But Tina, you just touched my heart so much. You have been so good to me, and I do appreciate everything you've done. And if you ever need anything at all, you just yell. I'm there. So thank you all, and thank you Donnadreamsx3. Check out her channel. Check out Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Check out all these ladies, because they are rocking it. So thank you, everybody. You're making it possible. Without your help, I can't do it anymore. So thank you.